Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to do this and they're having trouble rotating it after they do something with the contour tool. So I'm going to help them delete that step. They told me how they did it. They used the table tool. And if you set your table tool on 5x5 and hold down your control button, you get a perfect 5x5 square. Now you need to go to object and convert or break the table apart for this to work. I'm going to take a 2-point line and I'm going to go from that angle to that angle. And then I'm going to take my virtual segment delete key. I'm going to delete these parts of the table and I'm going to fill that in. So the problem they're having, we can get rid of this now. I nudged it over once. I'm going to nudge it over again. What they're doing, tell you what, let's make a duplicate of that and move it over. They're taking this and they're trying to contour that color, which is pretty cool. We're going to go to effects and contour to the center, 0.001 to a yellow. Now, when you control G, the contour, let's bring in our indexing line. You need to move this to the center. See what it does? The contour just causing you problems with that. So my suggestion is don't do that. I'm just going to delete these and just take this. I'm going to hit F4 on the keyboard. Just take that shape. It's just a fill, and we can control D and duplicate it. Now we can easily move the center of rotation to the center, and we can rotate it 90 degrees. Control D, Control D. Now you can contour it and just click each one and contour it separately. Contour tool, one, it takes up a lot of memory on your computer, but it's hard to rotate. As you can see, there's no rotation up here. So this is the way to do it. And if we put a black background on it, it really makes it pop out. So think about it next time to, whoop, I don't know what I did there. Think about it next time to, I don't know what I did. Wow. Think about it next time to, I'm just trying to make the black background. Go up to object, order, back a page. When you need to rotate something that's contoured, rotate it. See, like right now, it's causing even my zoom tool's having trouble because it's got so much going on. So next time, think about, I want to hit F4 on the keyboard and that brings everything up. So next time, think about contouring after you rotate it. It makes life a lot easier. I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.